In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see sales by product on Shopify and track which items are performing best in your store. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, click Analytics from the left-hand menu. Next, select Reports to access Shopify's detailed reporting tools. In the search bar, type Sales by Product and click on the report when it appears. The report will display product performance data, including total sales, units sold, net sales, and other key metrics for each product in your store. You can use the date filter at the top of the page to view sales for a specific period, such as today, this month, or a custom date range. Review the report to identify your best-selling products and products that may need additional promotion or optimization. That's it! You can now view sales by product on Shopify and use the data to make smarter business decisions. Thanks for watching.